Hey, you liberal fruitcakes. A judge getting arrested. Well, this is awkward. Let's talk about it. Now, I already see people crying, saying, they just arrested a seating judge. This is bad. This is dangerous. It is neither dangerous, and it isn't bad. Bad would be not enforcing the laws that are on the books. So for those who don't know, and I don't think that there are any people who don't know, a Wisconsin judge was arrested for obstruction of justice. She's being accused of preventing a warrant, a federal warrant, a legal warrant from being carried out, and deceiving federal officials, which prevented them from carrying out a legal warrant in her court. Now, many of you are saying that, arresting federal judges is dangerous because they're supposed to be the arbiters of justice. Well, what she's being accused of is in fact a felony. 18 U.S.C. 1509, as well as 18 U.S.C. 1512, both deal with obstruction of justice on a federal level, and is in fact the criminal code in which you deceive federal employees or a federal investigation from being carried out, at least in this context. So the very person who is supposed to carry out justice is being accused of not carrying out said justice and preventing the carrying out of justice from occurring. A felony. So let's clear up a couple of things because I know you're going to bring it up. Well, what about Trump? He has 34 felonies. Novel legal theory. They took issues that were misdemeanors at most, beyond the statute of limitation for clerical errors, changed the law in order to prosecute Trump and carry out these felonies, which again, were misdemeanors at most. Lawfare. Let's talk about another thing. The man that this Wisconsin judge is being accused of concealing and accused of preventing the lawful detention of that man in her courtroom with a legal warrant. That man had entered the country illegally and was here illegally. Now, you guys are going to bring this up again, and I'm tired of clarifying it, but I will. The act of entering this country is a misdemeanor crime. Staying in the country is a civil offense. Yes, stop saying it. We know. Both are deportable offenses. So we've got those things out of the way. Now you're saying that nobody's above the law, but you're crying about this judge who's being accused with evidence that she committed a crime. You can't have your cake and eat it too, because otherwise you're just being hypocrites. Have a good day!